Hey, I'm Doc. I'm with Lambeth Asphalt. I'm your paving foreman, and we're at Yes Communities in Greensboro, North Carolina. They gave us a call. The asphalt was severely damaged. It was cracked up, very alligated. We've been out here almost 2 days. We've managed to do about 800 tons in this general area. The biggest issue was the cracking and the allegations and the soft spots. And this is a community that hasn't updated anything in a couple years. So they wanted to update it, let the tenants know that, hey, we're taking care of you. They gave us a call. We've done about 7 or 8 of these things, and we always come in and strive to give the best riding capability possible. We did mill it out. We milled it out about 2 inches deep, and we're going to restructure it back with 2 inches, and tacking also involved. It just gives it a better structure, a better ride, a better quality of material. So our challenges here today and the past few days that we've been here is traffic for one. You got school buses coming in and out. We were able to move the school buses around us, get kids safely to school. So on this road here, we had a lot of invert on this road. It wasn't catching the water, it was mainly staying in one particular area. And the whole center of the road, about 4 feet of the joint on each side, was basically just caved in. So what we ended up having to do was take this, mill it out, and turn around and pull a drag over it to help compensate for some of the low spots where they were really entirely too deep. Once we got that done, we initially put a valley back into this as much as we could in order to keep that water from expanding out and going to the properties and getting underneath the trailers and causing more damage. As far as the center of it, you can see the joint here and how we matched it and put a valley similar to it in the center of the road. And basically we just kept on trucking with that and to make it where the water comes to the center and not to the out. Our team definitely succeeded in this project, making it one of the top projects we've done so far this year too. Our team expects the unexpected, and we look for any imperfections that we have in the mat and fix it as we go along and go down the road. If you're a commercial property owner and you want to find us, we're at Lambeth Asphalt Services. We provide milling, paving, seal coating, striping, and do our own grading. So give us a shout. We look forward to hearing from you soon.